7 iPhone mistakes you're probably making. Charging your iPhone is the simplest thing you'll do, that you'll later come to realize can have a significant impact on your battery power if done incorrectly. Leaving your phone to charge overnight. Many of us plug in our iPhones before going to bed and leave them charging all night long. It's convenient, after all. But Namchevsky warns that this is one of the worst charging mistakes you can make. Leaving your phone plugged in for an extended period of time can cause the battery to overheat and reduce its overall lifespan. Overcharging can also cause the battery to swell and potentially damage your phone's internal components. Relying on cheap third-party chargers. There are countless third-party chargers available on the market that claim to be compatible with iPhones. Using non-Apple chargers is another one of the worst charging mistakes you can make. These chargers may not be made with the same quality standards as Apple's products, and they can damage your phone's battery or other internal components. Charging phones to 100%. Charging the phone to 100% and using it until the battery drains to 0% is also a common mistake, Smigel warns. Doing this can wear out the battery faster, reducing its lifespan, he says. It is recommended to turn on optimized battery charging and charge the phone to 80% to extend the battery life. This feature helps the battery to last longer by reducing the amount of time the phone is charged to 100%. Charging your phone in extreme temps. High temperatures are a major phone battery enemy, and since charging your phone already delivers power and warmth, the last thing you want to do is create even more warmth by charging it in sunlight or with a heavy phone case on. To keep the phone cool, it is recommended to remove the case, avoid using the phone while charging, and keep it away from direct sunlight and hot environments, Smigel says. These measures are especially crucial during the summer months. Not cleaning your charging port and cable. Not cleaning the charging port and cable is another mistake that many iPhone users make. Dirt and debris can interfere with the charging process and reduce the effectiveness of the charger, Smigel says. Regular cleaning can prevent this from happening. That's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.